Now this is something I love doing the most and at the same time I hate doing the most is packing. If you're packing once a while, it's fun. If you're packing every day, it's not fun, trust me. Yesterday we checked into this lovely hotel, Hotel Star Bruno. Thank you. And today we are checking out. And today we are traveling to Olomouc. From Brno to Olomouc. And then from Olomouc tomorrow to Prague again. I mean, it's fun, why should I lie? Traveling is always fun. But then getting up early in the morning, every day, that in such a cold weather. So we're not leaving now. First we are going for a Brno walk tour. So what's the tour about? Where will we be going?
Just the city center, walking tour in city center.
Oh, where we went last night.
And visiting the ossuary under the church of St. James.
Nice. The first breeze of the day. It looks like it's gonna snow or rain. Whatever it is, I'm ready for it. Alright guys, guess what? I got the permission to fly the drone and I'm gonna start flying. Hopefully it flies.
It's okay.
अबे रुकना यार. I'm so happy and glad that I got a chance to fly the drone. बहुत दिनों से wait कर रहा था मैं यार. That to flying a drone in Europe is like uber cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. इसके लिए तो like बनता है boss. They should do a shoot of a movie over here. I like how the color has been changed. यहाँ पे पूरा dark है, यहाँ पे पूरा white है. तो मुझे लगा था आग वाग लगी है, but there is no fire ever happened. Changed naturally.
Architect was Max Matzenauer, and he designed this palace after he returned from his travels to India and Pakistan.
Oh, which year?
1900, exactly 1900.
Basically when we were ruled by Britishers. You know, I like the fact how there are rail tracks for tramp and also people are walking, driving, and how everything is managed so well. And also this is the tallest church in Brno, especially because of that thing. I dropped my gloves. And now we are going underground one more time. It's a heavy door, right? Oh, it's a heavy door. What's with the people in Brno and underground things? So basically we've entered a place where they used to keep all the dead bodies. What I'm about to show you is real human skull. Don't believe me? These are real bones. This is actual, everything you see over here is our bones. Even over here as well. This is the most creepiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. They were the citizens of Brno city like many years back. And now they are just walls.
It's pre-arranged. This column, for example, was arranged here just 15 years ago. But they found it in such state.
Like this?
Yes, so they kept this part how they found it.
Oh my god. So when they found this place, this was like this, without the glass by the way.
Skeleton remains, but most of them were reburied in
Oh my god.
Skulls belong to one citizen of Brno, let's say 300 years ago, maybe 400 years ago.
So they died in the war,
Yes, some of them.
disease, epidemics.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay, another interesting part is that this is a clock tower. This is basically a clock. That is a second, that is a minute, that is an hour. होता क्या है, every hour एक क्रिस्टल बॉल ऊपर से गिरता है. इसके जो लोग नीचे खड़े हैं उसलिए खड़े हैं. पूरे 24 घंटे के लिए एटलीस्ट एक दो लोग नीचे खड़े ही रहते हैं कि कब उनको क्रिस्टल बॉल मिल जाए. Lot of interesting things over here. ये यार रोड पे ट्रैम चल रही है. मेरे डैड बोलते थे कि ऐसा ही कुछ नज़ारा बॉम्बे में देखने को मिलता था अराउंड 50-60 ईयर्स बैक, जब बॉम्बे में ट्रैम चलती थी। अगर बॉम्बे की पॉपुलेशन कम होती ना तो बॉम्बे एक्चुअल में बहुत खूबसूरत रहता। नथिंग अगेंस्ट द पीपल, लेकिन ऐसा मन करता है ना कि काश हमारी सिटी भी खूबसूरत हो। So we are here in this lovely coffee shop to have coffee. I'm going to be having an espresso shot, but मुझे लगता नहीं वो espresso shot पीने के बाद मेरी नींद जाने वाली है। Lovely view. It's quite warm inside the coffee shop. It's warm wherever you go inside. But यहाँ कुछ ज़्यादा ही warm है, अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत। चलो enjoy करो time lapse. The hot chocolate was wonderful as usual. Now it's time for us to leave Bruno. ज़िंदगी में कभी चांस मिला तो फिर ब्रूनो आऊँगा। अभी होटल जाएंगे, सूटकेस उठाएंगे, बस में जाऊँगा और फिर सो जाऊँगा। Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you
bye,
very
bye,
much for hosting us. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.
I hope, yeah, thank you. I hope also the movie from drone will be okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Today,
Thank you.
yeah.
Because of him, I flew the drone. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Today is going to be a very small bus. van. Sorry. It's not a bus, it's a van. Janice, bag भूली नहीं ना?
Check, right? The bags of the luggage
I hope
time.
कोई भी बैग नहीं भूला इस टाइम। मैंने तो स्पेशली अपना बैग चेक किया है।
वापस नहीं आने वाला है। नेक्स्ट ट्रिप देना पड़ेगा चेक रिपोर्ट।
Because मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है। So what I'll do, it's a 1 hour drive. I'm gonna pass out. I'll see you when we reach. कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Almond.
Almond. क्या ये बोलती है Almond, ये बोलती है Almond।
So it's Olomouc.
Ah, that's what Olymouc.
Yeah, Olomouc.
और क्या बोला तूने?
Olymouc.
So यहाँ पे C को
To Olomouc।
Is silent. Almost silent.
Olomouc.
देखो Olomouc बोलना है, Olomouc बोलना है, जो बोलो मुझे जा रहा है। 1 hour drive. I'm gonna pass out. चलो। And we reached. All of us dozed off for like 40 minutes. मैं तो सपना भी आ गया मुझे। सपने में देखा कि मैं सो रहा था। ये बैग मैं कहीं नहीं छोड़ता, कहीं पर भी नहीं। अरे, are we here to stay or to eat?
Eat. This is a restaurant, very nice food.
And to stay? How far?
5-10 minutes from here.
Then it's okay. हाँ, अभी भूख लग रही है, सो लिया था। Alright, so we are done with our lunch. Now we'll do some photo shoot, and after that we'll go to the hotel. Weather is as usual good. Right now it's 2:25 in the afternoon. And probably we'll go for a walk before we go to the hotel. और आज भी hotel walking distance में ही है. So me and Azan, we were having a conversation. Azan is one of the guy who organized this trip, by the way. He was like, your name is Mumbaikar Nikhil, so does it affect a guy from Delhi to not watch your video? I was like, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. People from every city watch my videos. He was like, no, but still, does it like hold you back? Like because it's Mumbaikar, it's specified that only from Mumbai. There was a time, so I was like, yeah, interesting. I think even you guys should know. There was a time in between when I was doing the K2K. Soon after that, कि ऐसा हुआ था, मैंने फील किया था कि people from Delhi, मुझे कुछ लोग मिले थे कि हम क्यों मुंबई के निखिल को देखें. लेकिन बाद में देखने के बाद, बिकॉज जिसने वीडियो नहीं देखा, इट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट व्हेन दे यूज्ड टू वॉच द वीडियो, दे वर लाइक, अरे नाम मुंबई का निखिल है, लेकिन पूरा टाइम मुंबई में व्लॉग नहीं करता है और ना बाइक चलाता है. मतलब ही डज एवरीथिंग, सो इट्स जस्ट द नेम.
Right.
सो वो कहावत सुनी होगी, नाम में क्या रखा है. इंसान अपने कर्मों से और काम से जाना जाता है, नाम तो सिर्फ मिल जाता है. You go back, I'll come. So we finally reached the hotel. This place is much cooler than Brno, but nothing close to Prague. Prague में तो भाई बर्फ गिर रही थी, as you guys saw. Well, let's see what we'll do. It's 2:40 in the afternoon. 3:30 को sunset हो जाएगा. Probably we'll be in the hotel for an hour, then we'll go out. Let's see hotel कैसा है. वैसे भी we're gonna be there till tomorrow. Tomorrow again we'll check out. What is it?
This is fermented tea with lemongrass from Olomouc.
And 0.1% alcohol.
Yeah, so Nikhil here is going to have a wild night. 0.1%.
0.1% में मैंने कभी जिंदगी में अल्कोहल कंज्यूम तो किया नहीं है, बट I have tasted, by the way. You know, airline में we have to taste it so that we know कस्टमर को क्या देना है.
Oh, Miss Shrestha.
कड़वा है और थोड़ा मीठा है. Please, by any means, I never wanted to promote alcohol. I'm not promoting alcohol. This is just I wanted to share with you guys. Cheers. So while we were in the car sleeping, Rashmi ने मेरा प्राजक्ता का फोटो ले लिया. That's me. That's Prajakta. Rashmi, this is not fair. I'll click your picture also. Rashmi is running away from the camera. She's like, I don't want to come in front of the camera.
And we have to tell the hotel at around 8.
Say na.
Free time between 6.
A new day, a new hotel. मुझे तो एकदम वो कतर एयरवेज वाली फीलिंग आ रही है when I used to fly the airline. Oh, this is a good room. This is a very good room. I'll just give you a small room tour because it looks a little different. The most important thing for me is alright, it's a window. Is the view. अरे रे ये again नहीं खुलता. I really wish I could take a nap for 1 hour or probably 30 minutes, but then अभी 2 मिनट में नीचे जाना, लेकिन नीचे जाने के पहले थोड़ा वॉशरूम चले जाता हूँ बिकॉज ये ठंडी कंट्री और ठंडी कंट्री में बार बार सुसु आती है. और थोड़ा वॉशरूम भी दिखा देता हूँ. हेलो, प्रीटी डिसेंट वॉशरूम. अच्छा है, बहुत ऊपर नहीं है. So the hotel where we are staying now is kind of a boutique hotel. It just has 35 rooms. Good to know stuff. Europe में you will not find big lobbies and everything big. You know, you'll find एकदम छोटा सा lobby, प्यारा सा lobby. सीधा जाओ अपने रूम में आराम करो. On the other hand, hotels in Asia, 5-star hotels in Asia has massive, huge lobbies. Why? I don't know why. Are we going? We are going. Time to do some city tour now. Olomouc is a very beautiful city. Lucky for us, it's not that cold compared to Prague. 2 things I like the most about Czech Republic is the churches and the trams. ये देखो ना कितना प्यारा लगता है. गाड़ियाँ भी चलती है और ये ट्रैक्स बिछे हुए हैं. Wow, that was so beautiful. This country has so many beautiful churches, right?
Cathedrals.
Cathedrals.
Yes.
What is the difference between cathedral and churches?
So churches are quite smaller. Cathedrals are more bigger.
Okay.
And they're much better. Like, if you notice?
Wait a minute, but that's the only difference.
Yeah.
Churches are smaller, cathedrals are bigger.
Yeah.
Do we have
And-
cathedrals in India?
No.
Why? Any reason?
No particular reason. I think there's no space. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा जगह है.
What?
इतना बड़ा
But
church.
they're so huge, man. They're like so huge.
And they're taken care with a proper higher authority
Yeah.
in the Christian community. So it's really nice.
I mean, it's like a set. It's like a movie set. I mean, how beautiful a place can get, and the architecture, the statue, the attention to details are just mind blowing, guys.
और why there are more cathedrals here in Europe is because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे saints थे. If you notice all the cathedrals we went to,
Saints
is
थे
up-
मतलब अभी नहीं है.
saints are passed away ना निखिल.
Okay. Sorry, मुझे कोई knowledge नहीं है सब
So
चीज़ों का.
over here, every cathedral that we went to today has a specific name of a saint, like Saint James, Saint Anthony,
Okay.
like that. Like this is also I think Saint Joseph Cathedral.
Oh,
So
okay.
really nice.
आई थिंक वो लेट हो रहा है. चल,
हाँ.
मैंने ज़िंदगी में बहुत लोग को ऐसे मिला हूँ जो बहुत भगवान पे मानते हैं, अल्लाह पे मानते हैं, जीसस पे मानते हैं. उनमें से मेरे डैड भी थे. मेरे डैड ने कभी किसी को फोर्स नहीं किया. मैं कभी प्रे नहीं करता, टेंपल नहीं आता था. मेरे डैड बोलते तो जाएगा, मैं बोलता नहीं ठीक है. मेरे डैड ने अपने साइड से पूरा मुझे लेके गए किया. लेकिन मेरे डैड ने एक चीज़ देखी कि मैं डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता कोई भी रिलीजन को. मैं हर रिलीजन पे मानता हूँ. और ये चीज़ मेरे डैड ने बहुत पहले नोटिस कर ली थी. इसलिए मेरे डैड ने मुझे ज़्यादा बोलना बंद कर दिया. लेकिन मैं ऐसे काफ़ी इंसानों से मिला हूँ जो ऐसे दिखाते हैं कि बहुत रिलीजियस है, लेकिन सबसे गंदे और गलत काम वही करते हैं. एक चीज़ मैं बोलूँगा, जो रियली दिल से भगवान पे मानता है वो कभी भी कोई भी चीज़ फोर्स नहीं करता है. वो आपको प्यार से समझाएगा और वो बोलेगा ऊपर वाले से डरो, ऊपर वाले की इज्जत करो, ऊपर वाले को प्यार करो. बाकी आपकी मर्जी है, राइट? क्योंकि एक ना एक दिन सबको ऊपर ही जाना है. तो उसके बाद तो मालूम पड़ जाएगा वो है या नहीं है. मैं तो सिर्फ इतना बोलूँगा, आप में से जो लोग देख रहे हैं वो भगवान पे मानते हैं नहीं मानते हैं, लेकिन अच्छा काम करो, लोगों के लिए अच्छा करो, बुरा मत करो। हाँ, लेकिन अगर वक्त आने पे अपनी तीसरी आँख खोलना मत भूलो, क्योंकि Alright guys, you won't believe it. This is not a statue. This is a real lady reading books. और मुझे लगा ये एक स्टैचू है और यहाँ पे मस्ती मजाक कर रहा था. Shadi just told me कि निखिल मजाक में थोड़ा वो पुतला नहीं है. Yeah, but she's still not moving.
Now that you told me, I realized that she's not moving. It's scary.
Why she's not moving? एक minute. She's not a human. Are you sure? Dude, she's like a statue, man. Dude, she is not moving a bit. Oh, she's not moving a bit. Dude, she's not moving a bit. She's not even breathing.
But I saw her face before.
Dude, this is very scary. She's not moving. She's not breathing.
She's just looking at the book.
Oh my god. That.
She's not moving.
Oh my god, she just moved. That was so scary.
After a second,
Dude,
she's like.
no, but how can she just free? How can she frozen?
She's frozen in one pose.
She's frozen and she's like reading. अब उसका सांस कैसे नहीं चल रही? एक बाल नहीं हिल रहा उसका.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं.
और अभी भी कैसा ऐसी हुई ऐसी इतना और अभी भी अटक गई और उसके बाद अभी मैं देखा तो ऐसी हुई बस. अरे ऐसा क्या बुक में घुस जाना है यार.
That was scary, huh?
That was very scary. एक
Then
तो
you
पूरा
told me, मुझे लगा मैंने किसका फेस देखा फिर.
फेस था उसका.
हाँ, मैंने
Of course फेस का. कैसा सवाल पूछता हूँ यार मैं भी. So very important thing for all you students who are watching, if you'll go through this hole, then you'll pass your exams. But it's forbidden to go through this. Policemen will catch you. But then that's what they believe. अच्छा है ना. So exam के बाद चेक रिपब्लिक आओ, इसके अंदर कूदो, ये होल से निकल जाओ और पास हो जाओ. टेंशन ही नहीं ना. So we are at Olomouc Christmas market and it's very cold over here. I'm having this. I don't know what exactly that is, but then it's too cold. I want to keep myself warm, and this seems to be like something spicy. Nice, very hot. Back to the hotel. It was -3 and I lost one of my gloves also, right hand का. So मेरा पूरा हाथ अकड़ गया था. इसके लिए मैंने कुछ कैमरा निकाल के व्लॉग नहीं किया. वैसे भी सेम क्रिसमस मार्केट था जो प्राग में और बर्नो में देखा था, तो दिखा के एक्चुअली ये सब मार्केट को रियल में एक्सपीरियंस करोगे तो समझ में आता है. कैमरे में तो मैं क्या दिखा सकता हूँ और रात में तो इतना कुछ दिखता भी नहीं है. जस्ट रेड द न्यूज़ अबाउट द अर्थक्वेक इन दिल्ली, ऑल्दो इट वाज नॉट सीरियस, बट देन मुंबई में अचानक दिसंबर में बारिश, दिल्ली में हल्का सा अर्थक्वेक, ये सब चीज़ दे आर वेरी अनयूजुअल. And also few months back, around 2 months back, I read an article from NASA. First I was like, चलो डिस्कस करते. Then I was like, छोड़ना है क्या डिस्कस करने का. That article was like, in the month of December it's going to rain somewhere in Asia, and if it rains in Asia and Middle East, that means something really bad is going to happen. And जो भी बुरा होगा वो ज़्यादा करके मिडल ईस्ट में हिट करेगा. वो क्या बुरा होगा नहीं पता. It can be earthquake, it can be anything. और या कुछ भी नहीं होगा. और ये चीज़ से क्या लोग डराना भी शुरू कर देते हैं. द एंड इज नियर, अभी सब खत्म हो जाएगा. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि हमें हमारे एनवायरनमेंट का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. बहुत डिबेटेबल टॉपिक है. जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि गाइज टेक केयर ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, तो लोग बोलते हैं कि तू चुप कर, तू पहले बाइक चलाना बंद कर, क्या तेरी बाइक पोल्यूट नहीं करती. जो लोग सिगरेट पीते हैं उन लोग बोलते हैं तो सिगरेट पीना छोड़ दे. पता नहीं हमारे दुनिया का क्या होगा. हम ही बर्बाद कर रहे हैं हमारी दुनिया को. बट जितना हो सके हमें उतना कंट्रोल करना चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. और तो जो ऊपर वाला चाहेगा वही होएगा. बस ऐसा लगा कि 1 मिनट दे देता हूँ व्लॉग में. राइट नाउ इट्स 7:10 in the evening. Tomorrow 9:30 we have a train to Prague, and then day after tomorrow we have a flight from Prague to Istanbul, then Istanbul to India. कल पूरा दिन हमें प्राग में मिलने वाला है. सो जितना हो सके मैं उतना शॉपिंग करूँगा अपनी मम्मी के लिए.
Very sad. My friends say hi to my audience.
So time for us to have dinner, and all of us are here. Lucky for us that the restaurant where we are having dinner is in the hotel where we are staying. So खा के सीधा रूम में जाना है, and no need to wear the jacket and stuff because it's too cold outside. It's -3. So अभी guys, so I heard this is like the best restaurant of the city. Is it true?
Yeah, maybe in the whole region.
In the whole region. Wow. Nice. Rashmi.
अच्छा तुमको रश्मि को ही बताऊंगा.
प्राजक्ता. का प्लान सबसे बेस्ट होने वाला है. आफ्टर हैविंग आवर डिनर we'll be going to Shanice's room, all of us, and we'll be chilling over there. We'll be doing little bit of gossip and also YouTube Rewind 2017 रिलीज हुआ है, वो भी देखने वाले हैं. देखेंगे कैसा है, अच्छा है नहीं है. And yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a like. I'll end the vlog over here because I'm extremely sleepy and tired. As always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. प्लान तो बहुत था कि रूम में बैठ के मस्ती करेंगे, खाने के बाद सबकी सिट्टी पिट्टी गुल, और अभी भी सब सो. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. So since the time I'm here, I'm looking for a Triumph showroom so that I can buy some things for my motorcycle. लेकिन अब तक मुझे कुछ Triumph मिला नहीं यार. Triumph. Now this Triumph is a lingerie showroom.